morning, folks. I'm in Anchorage, downtown Anchorage. I came here last night around 1 o'clock. Early in the morning I got up and want to get some breakfast, and I saw this small place called White Spot Cafe. So I'm going to stop by there. Alright, join me. Spot Cafe. It's a very small joint. It looks like one of those mom and pop shops. This is today's menu. I ordered the Alaskan beer soup topped with blackened salmon.
I'm working hard.
So I got the fresh grilled local salmon with coleslaw and tartar sauce. The salmon, it's just awesome. You could taste the freshness, and the spices used to it just perfect. A little on the hot side, which is pretty good. Very simple dish for breakfast, but hey, it's healthy. Okay, this is a famous Ship Creek in Anchorage, best known for salmon fishing. So right now there's only a few people there because it's low tide, as you can see. So I was told to come back around 3:34 and do the fishing. I have a better chance. So right next to the bait shack, it's a bridge. You could see the entire Ship Creek from here. So I'll be back a little later to do some fishing. So you can see at the bottom there, the seagull is eating I think that's a pink salmon. So probably got stranded during low tide. Again, folks, this is Ship Creek in Anchorage. I heard it's the best salmon fishing spot. Mostly silvers. I heard there's no kinks up here, and pink salmon. So I'm speaking to you. I see this salmon fighting in the water there, right there. The low tide. Okay, there's another one here just floating there. I was told to wait until 3:30 when the tide is high, where you get a ton of fish. I think it'll only keep two silvers, probably one pink. See this log with fish, salmon stuck on it. It's kind of weird. Yeah, you see this log with about 5 salmon stuck on it. Jeez, never seen a sight like that. So today after breakfast, I went and rented some fishing gear, fishing poles, everything else, which I'll show you later. I didn't have a chance to take any videos today because I was trying to catch and learn how to catch salmon, as you can see here. So this salmon here is known as pink salmon, which is not valued much. The most highest valued salmon I learned is the king salmon and the silver salmon. So right now it's not the king salmon season, so silver salmon is where it is. So I went to the Ship Creek, and I will send you some add some videos later on all about Ship Creek and then the pictures regarding that. So I fillet the fish, and it was a little dirty job which I didn't want you guys to see. So, and what I did was from Amazon I got this spice kit, which has about 7 types of spices: cumin, turmeric powder, curry powder, chili powder, cayenne powder, and so forth. So I kind of made a little spice mix with that, and I kind of spiced up this pink salmon here, and I'm going to fry it in a few minutes. That's going to be my dinner. Well, I filleted the salmon and spiced it. I'm making a little rice here. It's a wild rice mix with vegetables and poblano pepper, which I cut up. Yeah, give it a little kick and add a little more vegetable broth so I could cook a little more. I'm getting really hungry because it's 8 o'clock here in Alaska, whereas 1 a.m. in the morning in Florida. So I just got back from my fishing adventure. Okay, frying up the salmon. 2 minutes it'll be ready in my simple kitchen. Final humble dish at the hotel. Grilled fresh caught salmon. There's poblano rice with spices and fresh with cilantro and fresh lime juice.